Today, we'll be hand sanding the two side panels, buffing and polishing them. I'll also be removing the shift linkage completely and the brake pedal along with the footrests. Footrests, I decided I'm going to ship them out to the powder coat shop to get powder coated with the brake lever, and the shift linkage, it will be replaced with something a little nicer. If I have time, we'll go ahead and install the horn and the engine guard. Well, she's starting to look like something, I think. So I got done pretty much what I wanted to do today. Engine guard's on, horn cover's on. Those two side panels came out terrific. Sanded with 1,000 grit, then I went up to 2,000 grit. Buffed everything out with Meguiar's number 12 compound, and then I polished it. And it came out really good. I'm really, really happy with those. So far, the rear fender and the two side panels are complete. As you can see behind me, I still have that front fender to tackle, see if I can save it, and the fairings still have to be done. It's not easy to hand sand everything, buff it and polish it. It takes quite some time because you got to be careful. You don't want to rip through the paint and stuff. And in my case, I'm trying to save these pieces so I don't have to redo them. So I'm being super careful when I do hand sand everything. So far I've been lucky and everything's going well. If you watched the video when I was painting, I figured out what went wrong, or one of the major things that went wrong. That gauge was supposed to be a regulator for the spray gun. It just wasn't working right, or it isn't working right. I thought I had the gun set at 30, but come to find out, that's not even a real regulator. Shame on me for buying something that was, well, I should have known by the price. You know, it was just too cheap to be any good. So I ordered what's called a diaphragm regulator for a spray gun. Hopefully that comes in soon, or soon enough. I don't know, I got a lot of issues going on right now. The forks are still not together. What happened was I ordered the wrong, I ordered fork seals for a Sportster. Don't ask me how I did it, but I did it. So I had to go back and order new seals. It's been a week. I'm still waiting for them to be shipped out. A lot of stuff, it's just taking so long to get. So I'm still waiting on the fork seals. Shift linkage I ordered LED fender tip lights, waiting on those. I ordered an LED rear brake light. There's a bunch of stuff I'm waiting to come in. And I'm kind of in limbo, doing what I can right now while I'm waiting for stuff to come in. It is what it is, I guess. So if you're wondering why I'm doing this piece and that piece, it's because I got to wait on stuff. And the other thing is I need to make room on this table. But I think the bike's looking good so far. These came out nice. I painted these. If you watched the video, you know. The engine guard was powder coated. Super fantastic job Powder Pro did. The exhaust covers, I think they look good. I'm very satisfied with the way they look. What can I say? I'm happy so far, and it's starting to take shape. I know you're probably looking at it like, what do you mean? But it is. It's starting to take shape, and it's looking really good, all blacked out. Any questions, comments, you know what to do. Put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. If you want to go on to the next video in this series, your link will be in the top right-hand corner. Just click on it. You'll go right to the next video if it's posted. Other than that, God bless. If you're out there riding, be safe. Take care.